Located in the southern part of Bosnia and Herzegovina, Trebinje is a charming town known for its picturesque scenery and rich cultural heritage. Located near the borders of Croatia and Montenegro, Trebinje offers visitors a unique combination of natural beauty, historical sites, and warm hospitality. Trebinje's landscape is characterized by rolling hills, lush green valleys, and the majestic Trebisnica River flowing through the town. This natural beauty provides ample opportunities for outdoor activities and exploring the surrounding countryside. The town boasts many historical sites and attractions that showcase its rich cultural heritage. One such example is the famous Arslanagic Bridge, a symbol of Trebinje's history and architectural prowess. Visitors can also explore the old town with its narrow streets lined with traditional stone houses and charming cafes. Whether you are looking for adventure or relaxation, there is something for everyone in Trebinje. Its natural beauty combined with its rich history make it an ideal destination for travelers looking to immerse themselves in authentic Bosnian culture.